Hello, my name is Doug, and today I'll be taking you through this Nutrition Maker training tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to access the Client and Clinician Calendars. Accessing the client calendar is helpful for when you want to see exactly what your client is currently doing. Knowing how to access your calendar can be helpful for creating master templates and other items like that. If you're a current customer, we hope that this training will help you become more efficient with your software. If you are doing a 2-week trial, we would like to let you know that there is a coupon down below for 10% off should you decide to sign up. So let's get right into the training. To access your calendar, go to the left menu and choose Calendar. It will open up to the day where you can see your current activities. If you wish to add an activity, you can just click on the day and it will pull up the Schedule an Appointment where you can choose clinicians, clients, as well as types of appointments. You can put in the color pattern you want, description, as well as any notes. You can also view your calendar by the month or by the day. To access a client's calendar, go to the left and choose Clients. Choose your client. Choose from the drop-down list called Calendar. And here you'll see your client's calendar with all the assignments that they have, which might be tests, meal plans, diet history requirements, and things like that. Thanks for watching this training, and we hope to see you here on future training tutorials as well.